You're watching Foxtecc, and in this video, I'll show you how to close or turn off your iPad without using any physical buttons. Whether your power button isn't working or you just prefer using on-screen options, there are two simple ways to do it entirely through software. First, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open Control Center. In the top right, you'll see a power icon. Tap and hold that icon and a slider will appear on screen. Drag the slider across and your iPad will shut down. No buttons needed at all. The second method is through the Settings app. Open Settings, tap on General and scroll to the bottom. There you'll see a button labeled Shutdown. Tap it and just like before, use the slider that pops up to power off the device. This method is just as effective and easy to access. If you don't see either of these options, your iPad might be running an older version of iPad OS. In that case, go to Settings, General, then Software Update, and install the latest version available. Apple adds features like these through software updates, so keeping your iPad up to date can make a big difference. Thanks for watching Foxtecc. If this helped you power down your iPad without using the buttons, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more iPad tutorials. See you later.